It's next time. And we're finding out the deal with the bird. Yes. Turns out it's a Gyayu. Gyayu? Gyayu. It's a Kakuna. A level 50. What? What is why? Well, Easy E. At least you poisoned it. So long, friend. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes when things are random, you never know what you're gonna find. This is one of those situations where we found a level 50 Kakuna. I can't believe it. A level 50 Kakuna! What did you think it was? The legendary Bird of Lightning? No! Not even close! How could you be so wrong? It was Kakuna. Freaking Kakuna. It was. What were you expect? Who did you expect? You expected someone else? I'm just sorry to disappoint you, old bean. Didn't know. Oh, look! There he is again! Haunting me like a nightmare vision. What did you think was gonna happen? That you was gonna get away with it? It's so upsetting that it upset my stomach. Well, the good news is we can now take on the Seafoam Islands. Get out of here, Pidgeotto. Come on! 2 steps. That's all I want to take. Maybe I should just buy repels. Maybe I should just spend all of my money on another freaking repel. Because it's getting absurd. I told you, no. Bad touch. Go away. Look, I know what we had in the past. But the past is over. It's over now. Alright? Look, I know, I'm heartbroken too. Not really, but kinda. I know, this is where we gotta be smart. Know what I mean? Because if we're dumb, bad things happen. Like this stupid freaking Chansey. Behold, the might. Haha, yes. What do you want? Listen. Look. So there's that. Licky Tunge. Gross, brother. If I sail on that right now, I'd be doomed. You know what I mean? If I go like this, I have no control over what happens. None whatsoever. I end up back here. On the business end of the business. I can't do that to myself, Tangela. You know, I dated a girl in high school named Tangela. Magneton. I remember when you were cool. Back before the 90s happened. I blocked that off. And now I can go swim up to you. Sucker! Yes. Please be good. Please don't disappoint me. Yeah, you? Yeah? Well, we'll see. We'll see. Why? I'm not interested. A level 50 Mr. Mime. Actually, you know what? You know what? We're taking it. We're taking him. We're taking him downtown for questioning. Barrier. If interrupted while it is miming, it will kill everything in a 50-mile radius. Yeah, we'll give it a nickname. Mr. No. You know what it is. I know what it is. It's the name to end all names. The name we're giving him is Dad. All right. Go, team. Well, that was interesting. Not what I was expecting. At least it wasn't a level 50 Kakuna! At least it was not a level 50 Kakuna. I've been here. I've been over here. I don't want whatever you're selling, Nitty Queen. Have I been up here? I don't know where I've been. Pretty sure this is where I came from. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Pidgey Joe? If it hadn't been for Pidgey Joe, I'd have been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Pidgey Joe? Pidgeotto. Then we need to go up. Where are the rocks? Where are the rocky rocks? Oh yeah. Here's one. Licorice. Use the strength move. Bulbasaur. Goldeen. Give me that condescending look. You queen. Can anybody find me some boulders to push? Spambling on my toilet. Can barely stand on my feet. Take a look in the mirror and try. I gotta get out of this prison cell. Don't get no relief now, somebody. Anybody. Where's the stone? Yep. Anybody find Tangela? Someone to love. Executor. Executor 66. These islands are making me crazy. Ponyta is really lazy. It doesn't even know what it's doing. I said I don't want a reunion. Least of all with you. When I say I don't want it, it means I don't want it. Please recognize my due. I think we've been up there. Have we been down here? Come on, Pidgeotto. Stop being such a jerk face. Let me finish my business and get on with my life. No. We need to go up one from here. Glugler. He keeps more Shana in a pretty cabinet. Let them eat cake, he says. Just like that is eating Slowbro's tail. Is this the frickin' entrance? Oh my gentle Jehoshaphat! There's a stone. Why didn't I see you before? Because you weren't looking for me, friend. I was here all along, and you were too obsessed with finding the right way to go. Right. I was. How could I have been so blind? I don't know. It does happen to the best of us, though. You just keep pushing me into the holes and then following me down. Okay. I will allow it. The exit. I think this is it. But I do want to explore just a little more. Nothing up there. Down there leads to another place. I guess there's really only one thing left to do, and that's get the heck out of Dodge. We did it, folks. But not before saying one final goodbye to our canine. He was a good companion. Always cleaned up well after himself. Even when he had the Hershey squirts. Which sometimes got pretty gross. Help me! Please, I'm stranded out here. Who dares interrupt my slumber? Oh yeah, caught a Firo off screen. Named Agnew. Seemed appropriate. You know what this is? This is the final straw. Ha! Pardon me a million times. Your Pokemon are eating shit. We hope to see you again. This is the final island town. That's right. The final island town. Home to this man. We study Pokemon extensively here. People often bring us rare Pokemon for examination. Hello there! Do you want to trade your Articuno for Poliwrath? Do you? Does that seem like a good deal to you? The legendary bird of ice for something that looks like a washing machine? Well, if you don't think that's a good deal, I found this very faint fossil on Flash Moon. It's visit first to approve of. Pokemon Lab meeting room, eh? Even can you rather you want to see kind of Pokebadge? Titch, I made a cool TM. It causes all kinds of fun. That's the sound of a metronome. It tweaks your Pokemon's brain. Does it really? Somehow I doubt it. That's not what I meant to do. Get out of my pocket, potion. GM35, huh? It contains Confuse Ray. Yeah, that will tweak with the brain of a Pokemon. Gotta catch him out. But I already have a Pokemon who knows that, so... Wait, no I don't. Yes I do. Do I? I think I do. I don't know. This was the R&D room. Holy crap.